It was 25th June 1975 when everything in India came to halt. Shops were shut, printing press was closed, media was controlled. On other hand, for questioning government, lakhs of people were arrested, ban was imposed on freedom of expression and court's fundamental rights were completely suspended. Yes, I was talking about 1975 emergency which was imposed by former Prime Minister Indira Gandhi. Emergency was imposed not for 15 days or 1 month but for almost 21 months, keeping whole country in darkness. But even today, 95% of youth don't even have idea of emergency. Question pops in everyone's mind is why Indira Gandhi imposed national emergency? What are the real reasons behind national emergency? For next 3 minutes, I am going to tell you shocking facts of national emergency in the history of independent India imposed by Indira Gandhi by arresting opposition leaders and common people. Stay tuned and watch full video. Welcome back to Fact Desk. I will be uploading short and simplified information in one video every alternative day with most interesting facts and trending topics which everyone should have knowledge. If you not yet subscribe the channel, please subscribe and press bell icon. Let's begin our video from the year 1971 after the war of India and Pakistan. It was time when Indira Gandhi became one of the dominant leader in world and international media started giving attention to her and people used to call her Iron Lady. It was also a time where not just Congress party men feared of Indira Gandhi but also every opposition leader feared of her and had no dare to speak against her even in parliament. Things changed in 1974 when students with the support of socialist Jai Prakash Narayan, popularly known as JP, started protesting against misrule and corruption in the government of Bihar. The protest was raised to such an extent that it later turned out against Prime Minister Indira Gandhi in central government. It was also a time when Janasangh Party was rising and opposition leaders like Atalji, Advaniji, Nanaji and many such leaders started joining hands to remove Indira Gandhi from power. In between all this, Raj Naran case which turned Indira Gandhi upside down. Yes, Raj Naran was Indian freedom fighter and politician who contested 1971 election from Raebareli against Indira Gandhi. And because of his popularity in that area, public was very much sure that he would definitely beat Indira Gandhi. But unexpectedly, result gave big shock to public that Raj Naran lost election with more than 1 lakh votes. Many people claim that Soviet Union helped Indira Gandhi to win that election and die paper was changed day before the election by corrupting officers. To challenge election result, Raj Naran filed a case against Indira Gandhi on the allegation of winning election by corrupting officials. Court accepted the allegation and delivered an expected verdict in favor of Raj Naran by sentencing Indira Gandhi guilt of election fraud and disqualified her for 6 years. But Congress took stay of 20 days and with the court verdict and ongoing protest against government was putting lot of pressure to Indira Gandhi. Not just Indira Gandhi but everyone knew that Indira Gandhi's political career is going to end soon and she took an unexpected decision in the political history of independent India. Yes, it was year 1975, 25th June, midnight 12:15 am when Prime Minister Indira Gandhi orders of national emergency which was signed by President Fakhruddin Ali. Nationwide protest started, opposition leaders were arrested, printing news articles and freedom of press was completely banned. Also, news channels were censored for showing truth. Not to forget, lakhs of people who questioned government was put behind bars. And leaders like Subramaniam Swamy who exposed Indira Gandhi in international media was labelled as criminal and Interpol was after him. And state police was behind the leaders like Narendra Modi who were protesting mass movement against Indira Gandhi by changing their identity and were undergrounded. Emergency was imposed not for 1 day or 1 week but for almost 21 months. Condition of country was so bad that many people were starving to death without jobs and crime started increasing for survival. To tell in one sentence, 1975 emergency was hell on earth. After the emergency in year 1977, first time the Congress party and Indira Gandhi was thrown out of power in Lok Sabha elections. There are many consequences and painful stories of emergency which country cannot forget. Time changes, government changes, but truth which was hidden by Congress in our history book cannot change. These are the few facts which everyone should know. If you think this video has facts, then please share this knowledge and comment your views in comment section. Also, don't forget to subscribe our channel for more interesting and trending videos.